Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we will talk about the Hell Let Loose error code 0x87e107e2 with the Xbox consoles. As per our research, the error comes while opening the game, and it prevents the users from accessing the game successfully. Our research suggests that this is not a game side issue. Instead, this error is coming from the Xbox's end because of some server-side problems, or your device has encountered some issues. First up, power cycle your Xbox console. This involves pressing and holding the power button for about 10 seconds until the console shuts down. After that, disconnect the console from the power source and wait for 5 minutes before reconnecting it. Then, restart your console and check if the problem persists. If the error is still there, it's time to check for updates. Press the Xbox button, select Profile and System, then Settings, System, and finally, Updates. If there are any updates available, they'll be displayed on your screen. If not, you'll see a message saying no console update available. Still encountering the error? It could be that the Xbox Live services are down or experiencing a partial outage. Refer to the Xbox Live status page to check the status of these services. If Xbox Live services are up and running, you should check if there are any updates for Hell Let Loose. If there are, go ahead and update the game, then see if the error has been resolved. Finally, if all of the above steps haven't worked, it may be a server-side issue. In this case, the best course of action is to wait for a couple of hours and then try again. So, to summarize, the steps to resolve the Hell Let Loose error code 0x87e107e2 on your Xbox console are: power cycle your console, check for Xbox updates, verify the status of Xbox Live services, check for game updates, and if all else fails, wait it out. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.